Hey guys, so today I'm coming to you with my car tour. I have a 2020 Audi Q5, so if you're interested in this car, this will probably be of interest to you. And also I'm going to show a bunch of my Amazon car favorites. I'll link all the products that I've used to organize my car in the description. So if you're interested in any of those, you can take a look. So without further ado, let's go outside my car and then we can tour the inside as well with all the organization I've done. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so first off, here are the keys. I have a little LV key case or coin pouch and a little leather thing that says Alex on it. This little bracelet from Etsy actually makes it so much easier to carry my keys. I love it. So here she is. I'm absolutely obsessed with her. And from the back, so yeah, this is the Q5. There's a Q3 below this, which is smaller. And then here's the other side. Wheels. I just got these from Canadian Tire. I love putting these little mirrors. Like, I really don't need them, the small ones, because there's cameras, like 360 cameras for the whole car, but I don't know, I just like them. I had them on my old car, so it's just kind of a comfort thing. That is the car from the outside. I'm just gonna show you a couple cool features that the trunk does. So here's the keys. You press unlock, double tap this, and the trunk opens. So that is pretty cool. I just have a bin here for my purse, some windshield fluid, and then a barbell cushion thing, which I have not used in a while because gyms have not been open that long. This is just a safety kit. And yeah, that's about all I have in here. And then another cool thing about the trunk is that you can kick the underside and then it will open or close it. So there we go. The gas compartment is on this side. Nothing too special about that. This does take super gas, so that's something to note. This is the car you're interested in. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the outside of the car. Now let's go inside and take a tour of the more fun stuff. One cool thing is underneath here, there's usually, if it was dark out, you'd be able to see, but there's lights that come down, so it's easy to see your handle when it's dark out. So that's a cool little feature. So now here is an overview of the front area. You can see my front seat is very close compared to the other one. I'm only 5 feet tall, so I have to be pretty close. So yeah, that's a brief overview. Peep the Starbucks, you know. Gotta love that. So let's go inside now. Okay, so again, these are the keys and I just keep them in here. So that's just where I keep them. It's just a silicone case from Amazon and it attaches to your air vent. There isn't a ton of like counter space per se in this car. So, you know, I keep my wallet here, obviously drinks here. And I have these super cute liners in my cup holder because, you know, like all the drinks, like they just spill. And it's so much easier to take out these little resin cup holder liners and clean those versus having to go in and, you know, dig deep. It's so hard to clean when they're deep, if that makes sense. So I don't know if you can see that, but see that button on the left there? You can cool or heat your drinks. So this is a cooled and heated drink cup holder. So that is a really cool random feature that this car has. Let me just move this actually. So another cool feature that this car has is this charging mat. So it's not going to work now because I don't have the car on, but if someone else has their phone, they can place it on here and it will charge wirelessly. So that is really awesome. And then here we just have your armrest essentially. And then I just have a sunglass case, some stevia, and then a pen, a couple hair ties, and then a little guardian angel for safety. So yeah, let me put that back. So this is the shifter, and then here is my phone. So it's a really cute little compact space for it right there. And this pink cord charger is from Amazon. I will link that as well. And this is for your radio presets, and you can actually type on this. So like you can be like Alex, and then it'll be like, do you want to call Alex, like that kind of thing. So the screen is not touch, it is with this dial. I'll demonstrate that after I turn on the car, but the car will make noise when I'm turning it on, so I'm going to try and explain things with the car off for now. These dials are for heat or cooling, obviously, and then this is for heated seats. I did get the heat upgrade. I live in Canada. It's very freaking cold in the winter, so that was an absolute non-negotiable for me. There's also heated steering under the nav button there. There's talk command, there's a call button. The volume is done like this with this little roller, which is great for easy access. And then these are just controls for the screen. And then here's the vents, lock, and then there's settings for the seat, how close it is, how the steering wheel is set up. This is controls for the mirrors, windows, and then child lock. Sorry, there's a little bit of dust going on here. Yeah, and then the other side is pretty much the same, except there's just one window, lock, unlock. Oh, and then I have this really cute rose gold extra charger in case I have a passenger. And then I keep my glasses here. I need them to drive, so that is a necessity. And then there's different modes to drive in: sport, regular, blah, blah, blah. I just keep it on regular. And you can turn the airbag off. This is for, I think, sensing if you're too close to a vehicle. Like, the car will pretty much jerk you if it thinks that you're about to like collide with someone. It honestly is pretty intense, like can give you whiplash, and like sometimes you're not even in a situation where you would hit someone. Like, the car is just kind of assuming. So you could turn that off. I honestly think I might, just because it really startles you. Obviously a great safety feature, but yeah. This car is push to start, so you just have to depress the brake and press this at the same time. This is your flashers, controls for vents. Have the mirrors up here. Sorry, that's a little close. And then up here we have lights and garage controls. And we have a sunroof, which is awesome. Okay, so I think I'm going to turn the car on now, just because I think I've showed you everything up here that I can with the car off. Okay, so now that the car is on, you can see the speedometer, my little radio display in the middle, and then this on the right there shows you the gas. It's a bit different than my last car. I used to have a punch buggy. I miss her, but although I do love this new upgrade. Anyways, so that's the gas gauge. It's a little bit different. So then in the top left there, you can see how many kilometers you have left in your tank. So when it gets to around 100, I'll just go fill up just to be safe. Then at the bottom middle, you can see the outdoor temperature, the time, and that sort of thing. Steering, I've already shown you that. And then the screen has Apple CarPlay, which is really awesome. So currently I am on the Spotify page. So as I said before, you use this to navigate. So this is the Spotify, we have Google Maps, we have calling, and what else? And then here's the main menu. So it kind of looks like your iPhone. It's very interesting. My last car did not have this. WhatsApp, Spotify, Google Maps, phone, music, Apple Maps, which I don't prefer, text, now playing, the Audi app, and then your calendar and settings. So the Audi thing looks like this. So you would just click the middle here for Apple CarPlay, and then there's just the built-in navigation, telephone, media, radio, sound, and vehicles. So just like some settings. Yeah, that is pretty much it for the screen. It's really user-friendly. I really love it. I would definitely recommend this car. It is so nice, and I am super thankful. I guess I will show you the glove box, which I guess the car did not need to be on for this, but anyways. So here is the glove box. So here I have some masks. I have a really cute floral one from this Instagram shop called Sebella, Sebella. She makes really cute handmade masks. And then I just have a medical one, And then what else do I have? I have another couple masks. And then I have my car manual, a lint roller, some gum, glasses case. I also have this really cute rose gold case for my insurance papers. I'm not gonna open that just because there's, you know, addresses and stuff in there. But yeah, you can get this on Amazon. So that is it for the glove box. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying the tour so far. So now I'm gonna take you into the back seat to check out what's going on back there. So let's go. Actually, before we get back there, I just want to point out that this is the parking brake, so that's really cool. I find parking brakes kind of odd, like those big sticks, and they're like heavy. I don't know, it's just weird to me. So anyways, this one's really cool because it's literally just a button. So I love that feature about this car. And anyways, let's head to the back now. Here's just an outside view of the back seat. Okay, so there's just where you lock the car, the handle, controls for the window. Here, I just keep a box of tissue for easy reaching. And then in the center console, there is actually heated seats in the back. And I have a charger for my back passengers, if I have any. And then, yeah, they just have these, I don't know if you'd call this mesh or what. But anyways, that's what's at the back of the seats. And then that's the view from the back. And just the seat belts. And then there's this middle console. Press that for a cup holder. And then you can just easily put that back. And then that's what the trunk looks like. There is a cover, which I love. I can keep whatever I need in the back and not worry about people seeing in. So I have these floor mats from Amazon that were specially for the car. And it's really weird because like it has this thing that goes over the hump, but I guess, hey, the more protection, the better. Now I'll just scoot over. Okay, so now I'm on the other side and pretty much, yeah, same thing. Seatbelt, handle, window, locking, all that kind of thing. And then up here, there's just a light and a handle. And yeah, that is pretty much the back seat. Also, I try to make sure that all of my accessories are cute and rose gold, gold, or pink for the car. I don't know, it just matches my aesthetic, so it just makes me super happy when everything matches. So this is a pink umbrella that I got from Amazon, and I will link that as well. And yeah, it's just super cute, mini, compact, and I love it. Okay guys, that about concludes my car tour. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was informative. And if any of you have any questions about the model, please let me know in the comments below and I'll help you out to the best of my ability. There is one more thing. There are 3 different versions of the Audi Q5. Let me just pull them up so I don't give you false information. So there is Comfort, Progressive, and Technic, and I know that I have the Technic version of this, which is the highest version. I'm really not sure of the exact details of that, but you can definitely check them out on Audi's website. And yeah, that will give you further detail as to what the differences would be between those 3 versions. I hope this video was informative for you guys and helpful if you are looking into this car in general. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.